After we had a lovely breakfast, we checked out from our hotel and drove straight to a beautiful beach called Grande Pevero Beach. It's actually our second time here. The first time we came here was in 2019 and we really love it here, so it's worth a second visit. So we stayed here for almost 3 hours and we paid for parking for €2.50 per hour.
Aus dem Kreisverkehr ausfahren.
So from Palau, we'll take a ferry going to La Maddalena. We will be staying in La Maddalena for 2 nights. So yeah, I'm quite excited. All the ferries to La Maddalena depart from the port of Palau. You can reach the town of Palau from Olbia in less than an hour.
Okay, grazie.
So we booked our ferry ticket online and we paid 43 euros for one way. But if you're not with a car, fares may start at 3.70 euros depending on the day, schedules, and season. Ferries depart every 30 to 60 minutes throughout the day. Super easy and convenient, and the journey is only 15 minutes.
Rechts abbiegen. Danach fahren Sie in den Kreisverkehr. Verkehr ausfahren. Danach fahren Sie in den Kreisverkehr.
We totally had different impressions before coming here, and we thought that you can only explore beautiful beaches around La Maddalena, but to our surprise, the main town is super charming. This is probably one of the most sophisticated towns I've been to in all Sardinia so far. Just arrived here at our hotel. It's about 2 kilometers away from the port of La Maddalena. This is our hotel. This is our La Maddalena hotel room. Here's the shower. Huge bed with one single bed extra, fridge, and we have the mountain view and a little bit of the beach view. And I love the huge mirror. The hotel is really huge. There's also a pool area and the marina view. We didn't waste any time. We went outside, walked for about 15 minutes back to the main town. This little town is not only charming but also really lively. There are so many bars, cafes, and little stores around. We got so hungry and we just went to a random restaurant here within the old town. But unfortunately, we didn't have the best dining experience here. As you can see, the portions are really small, and I'm not gonna lie, the food presentation didn't really increase our appetite, but yeah, that's life. And so, moving on, it's our first full day here in La Maddalena. The hotel's breakfast buffet is so great, lots of food options. And it is also such a beautiful weather to have a breakfast by the pool. Buongiorno. After breakfast, we drove to a place called Punta Tegge. This place was recommended to us by the hotel's receptionist. It's just a 2-minute drive from our hotel, or you can just walk. And it's like a series of beaches. There's a lot of small coves and beaches here. So I'm confused which side to go right now. It's so beautiful. Punta Tegge has undeniably crystal clear turquoise watercolor, and the view around is also amazing. It's even cooler because it's just a walking distance from our hotel. And what I love the most about this place is that it has plenty of spots for sunbathing and chilling out. We're starving, so we're gonna grab something to eat here. There's a restaurant just here nearby. The easiest access beach. And then here's the restaurant. This is my order. It's a grilled octopus with something. It cost 22 euros. Portion is too little with bread, and then Philip got beer for 5 euros, and then that one is Caesar salad. How much it cost? 15 euros, and we have a very beautiful view here of the beach.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong.
Another great recommendation we got from the hotel's receptionist is to drive through the panoramic street near Punta Tegge. And I would say it's super worth it.
Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be, and maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing.
After strolling around, we will go back to our hotel and ask for extension if it's possible. 2 days is not enough to see everything, and there are lots of beaches that we want to check out. For example, those beaches down there, you need to go hiking to reach those beaches, or you can also do a boat tour, which we are also thinking about, but let's see.
Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive. And I know why you said it 'cause I'm reading.
We're here at Baya Trinita. We're gonna be cooling off here because it's flaming hot right now. And there's a lot of people here. Philip is overexcited. We're gonna grab some pizza from here, Mama Pizza, and we're gonna bring it to the sunset viewpoint. Got our pizza, cost 15 euros. This smells so good. We found a perfect spot to catch the sunset. That's where we parked our car. We were here earlier, but we didn't go through these bushes, and yeah, it's beautiful. Right, Honek?
Good.
We also brought beer and soda. It's our last full day since we're able to extend our stay for another night. Now we're driving towards the east coast side of La Maddalena, and we're planning to reach Caprera. While we're on our way there, we came across a beautiful looking beach called Spiaggia Testa del Polpo. It's a kind of hard to access beach. The road is extremely rough and narrow. The water is so calm, and then there's actually a lot more over there if you're gonna walk farther. So this is what I love about here. There are so many little beaches behind the rocks, and the watercolor is also really beautiful. Gusto hier o daan? Hier, glaube ich. We're gonna go up there. Let's look for a nice spot to chill. Can't get over it. So beautiful. And then here's our spot. We're so happy that we decided to extend our stay here. If we didn't do it, then we couldn't experience this amazing spot here. What an amazing place to start our day, right? Though this beach is not so easy to access, but I tell you, it's super worth it. It's just so special. It has this wilderness vibe in it that we really like. This is definitely one of my favorites I've been to on this trip. Now, there isn't much sand here, but those unique rock formations make it even more special. Plus, of course, the turquoise watercolor. It's just so beautiful. Just done swimming. We also went to the supermarket to buy some supplies, and we're on our way back to our hotel. So we took the Panoramic route, and then we came across this super nice view here. Honig, how it's called here? Lunga? Yeah, it's called Lunga. It's so beautiful, but I don't know if you can get inside there because it looks like it's private hotel and restaurant something, but just looking from here it looks so beautiful, guys. It's really worth stopping by. Guys, this is our new room because we extended our stay. They give us a different room, and I think I like it more here. We have a better view of the marina, so we're basically on the other side of the hotel. And from here there's also a big supermarket. I like it more here, Honig. Right?
The view is better.
Yeah, we have a better view. And the next morning, before we left La Maddalena, we went swimming to some random beaches. We also went back to the town, grabbed some snacks while waiting for our ferry.